You have a friend, babe?
Yeah, he won't leave, but he's really cute.
Hi, honey.
Oh. So just straight to the very end.
Hi guys, we made it to our campsite in Wanaka, our second campsite actually, and we went for a little walk, we checked out the town, and we decided we like it, so we're staying again.
Hiked.
We just hiked a little, and my backseat bartender's at it again. So I think, I don't know, we'll probably just have a drink here. I might do some editing, we might read a little. Thanks, babe. Cheers.
Cheers, honey. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
That's good.
Could be colder.
Somebody's getting burnt.
Not you.
Wouldn't listen to me.
You said that not to wear sunscreen.
Now she's lying. Classic. We were told that the ozone's really thin in New Zealand, so you burn really fast, and they weren't kidding.
She burnt.
My poor little white girlfriend is getting a little singed.
Can I help you? Can you please put some on my shoulders?
Turn, please.
Okay, try. Can you not get it on the shirt though?
Okay. Baby, baby. Okay, you're good.
Thank you. That's good work. All of these work.
Not just a pretty face.
Work it for me.
So that's quince aioli. I can get you some different aioli as well.
Okay, great.
I'll get that for you.
Okay, thank you.
Look, pizza looks. One or two? Two. One? Two. Around the head. You're the best.
Good morning. We made it to Queenstown. It's bright and early, and we are headed to catch a bus because we're going to Milford Sound today. We're taking a little cruise, and we're gonna see all kinds of really nice stuff. We heard that this was something that we have to do while we're here, so that's what we're doing today.
We're gonna check it out. The bakery's open, I think. I hope.
We were worried that we wouldn't be able to get coffee this morning, but I think we're gonna make it happen. Coffee, just coffee.
Tell me why you love the cup.
The cup has sheep on it. It's good as, because they always say like good as or sweet as. And it has I think I might keep it.
You will keep it, eh? Great hat, by the way.
Especially the western side of Macro standing up here to the left hand side, now right hand side.
It's called.
Yeah. So we're taking the bus around, and it's about a 4-hour bus ride, but it's kind of cool because there are a few stops along the way.
And you get to learn.
Yeah. Oh my God, Steph loves that. So this is stop number 1. Well, number 2, but the first one was like pee break. Oh, baby.
I used to believe you, but everything was true. Our love is 6 feet underground, I feel too.
We're at stop number 2. We just drove through this tunnel. It was kind of freaky actually. It was like over a kilometer.
Everything's way too high here, and they keep talking about avalanches.
Very good, Steph.
Awesome.
Lady down there will collect your passes.
Oh, thank you.
I think I'm down with you. I think I'm down with you. I know you came for truth. You know I came for you. I spend too much time. Now I think out loud. I won't be falling on my knees to beg you. I know you've crossed the line. You waited for a sign. I won't be falling on my knees to beg you. Break up, split up, life goes on, baby, let's catch up. Years after years we fought against a couple machine. We didn't see coming that of a killing routine.
It looks like it's gonna be amazing.
It looks really cool. Hopefully we can find a spot. It looks busy.
Yeah.
We found a spot.
We made it back from Milford Sound, so now we got our camp spot and we're just gonna cook some dinner.
And the sun is just setting so beautifully on your
Does it make
face.
me look pretty?
Yeah, you always look pretty.
Okay, let's go eat.
Yeah, starving Mark.
Whoa, what are we up to over here? Look at this. This is one of the prettiest ones we've had, I think.
For sure. I concur. How many more nights have we got?
We only have
3 days? Yeah. 3 nights? Yeah, 3 nights. 3 nights left in New Zealand.
We gotta really appreciate these nights in Vanessa now.
Yeah, I gotta cuddle the crap out of her.
You ready for bed?
I love
You've been
Vanessa.
up since so early.
Yeah, but you had so many naps on the bus, so it doesn't count.
Good night. Thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, and a kiss.
Yeah. Still here, eh, buddy? All right, I'll just be over here.